Hello, so we have to find the sixth roots of 1, or the sixth roots of unity. So first we have, z is a complex number to the power of 6, and that's going to be equal to 1. So we know that z, we can just call that r, cis theta to the power of 6 equals 1, and we can add cis 0 here. The cosine in this situation is 0, so that's just 1 times 1, and the I sign is 0, so this doesn't change anything. So we can apply de Moivre's theorem. So r to the power of 6 cis 6 theta is equal to 1 cis. So we know that 1 and r to the power of 6, so r is equal to 1. Okay, so now we have a cis 6 theta is equal to cis 0. So that means that 6 theta is equal to, 6 theta is equal to 0 plus 2k pi, because we know that the period is 2 pi, and k is going to be a integer. Okay, so therefore theta is equal to 2k pi over 6. Okay, so first we have to find different situations. So I'm just going to erase all this. Okay, so first let's start with z1, where k is equal to 1. Okay, so therefore z1 is equal to 1, cis, well, if that was 1, well, that would be 2 pi over 6, which is equal to 1, or pi over 3, so that would be pi over 3. So this would be our first solution. We're just trying with different values of pi, or different values of theta. So then k equals 2 for z2, that would be equal to 1 cis. Well, that would be just that would be 4 over 6, which is 3 over 2. So 3 pi, or 3 pi over 2 pi over 3. And then for k equals 3, z3, that's equal to 1 cis. Well, k is equal to 3, so that'd be 6 pi over 6, and that would be just pi. Okay, and then k equals 4 is z4. That would be equal to 1 cis. That would be 4. That would be 8 pi over 6, which is equal to 4 pi over 3. 4 pi over 3. And then k equals 5. Z5 would be equal to 1 cis 5 pi over 3. And then k equals 6. Z6 is equal to 1 cis 12 pi over 6, which is just 2 pi. Okay, and these are the sixth roots of unity. And these are the answers. And this one actually is equal to 1, as we know that one of the solutions is 1, as we know that 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. So these are the 6 solutions. Thank you.